Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice, interesting functional equations. And before I try it, how do you solve it? So let's see the answer in the comment box. We are given f of x plus 5 equals f of x plus 9 plus 1. And what is f of x? This functional problem is a shift difference functional equations. So let's see how we solve this problem step by step. So first is, suppose I try to shift this. We have x plus 5. If I replace x with x minus 5, here we are going to have f of x minus 5 then plus 5 equals f of x minus 5 plus 9 then plus 1. So since this is what we have, plus 5 and minus 5 cancelled, and we have f of x equals f of, we have x then minus 5 plus 9, that gives us plus 4 then plus 1. And this is equivalently making f of x plus 4, transferring it to this side. We have f of x plus 4 equals f of x minus 1. So this is still the same thing as what we have in the third line. And this consider as the first step. So let's see the second step. Let's say we are going to consider some relations here. Let's try to look for some patterns. So we are going to be applying this repeatedly. What we have is f of x plus 4 equals f of x minus 1. If I increase this to f of x plus 8, that is, I'm changing every x to x plus 4. So this side becomes f of x plus 4 then minus 1. But in this above, we have f of x plus 4 given as f of x minus 1. So therefore, for every f of x plus 8, this is equals f of x minus 1 then minus 1. So it is equivalent to f of x minus 2. This is the result of f of x plus 8. So looking at the first one, we have f of x plus 4 equals f of x minus 1. And the second one gives us f of x minus 2, where we increase it by 4. So let's try to look for more patterns if this is consistent. By increasing this with 4 as well, we have f of x plus 12. This equals f of x plus 8 then minus 1. But f of x plus 8 is also given as f of x minus 2. So by trying to compute this together, we are going to have f of x, then we have minus 3. So this is consistent, and in a general form, for any integer k, we are going to have so when it keeps going like that, the next one will be f of x plus 16 equals f of x minus 4. If you continue in this way, and for any integer k, we are going to have f of x plus, so we are going to have 4k equals f of x minus k. So where k starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and upward. So this is the second step. But looking at this thing, so if you consider these relations, we can see that the behavior of it is linear. Then we cannot guess a structure for this. Consider it as step 3. So by guessing f of x to be equals, let's say, ax plus b as a linear function. Then from the first one, we have f of x plus 5 equals f of x plus 9 plus 1. So by trying to replace this here, we are going to have, instead of f of x, we change it to f of x plus 5 equals a into bracket of x plus 5 plus b. And other side, we have f of x plus 9 equals a bracket x plus 9, then we have plus b. So by trying to equate the two together, we are going to have a bracket x plus 5 plus b equals f of x plus 9. It gives us a bracket x plus 9 plus b, then plus 1 that we have. By opening this bracket with a times x, that is ax, plus a times 5, we have it as 5a. And also here we have plus b equals a multiplied by x, that is ax, plus a multiplied by 9, that is 9a, plus b plus 1. By this, plus ax cancelled at both sides. Then moving the whole of 5a plus b to other side, we have 9a plus b plus 1, then minus 5a minus b, everything equals 0. Then we have plus b minus b cancelled, and 9a minus 5a, that gives us 4a. Then everything equals, taking 1 to other side, we have it as minus 1. So dividing both sides by 4, we have divided by 4, 4 cancelled 4. The result of a gives us minus 1 divided by 4. Since b cancelled, then we can now conclude that our f of x, it gives us, substituting the value of a in the linear function that we guess, we have minus x divided by 4. Don't forget a constant value. And in a general form, let's say for a periodic function of period 4, we are going to be having, instead of this, minus x over 4 plus c, then we can just have it as a g of x. So where g of x is any periodic function of period 4, where we can also rewrite it as, for every g of x plus 4 is also equals g of x. So this is how I solve this problem step by step. Then we can also put a check to show that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. So what we just do is, from f of x plus 5, we try to substitute all these values. Anything we get, we are going to subtract it from when we substitute f of x minus plus 9. Then everything will be equals 1. Thanks for watching. And how do you solve it? Is it the same thing with how I solved it? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.